Hey everyone, I'm Katie Alyce and today I'm going to be teaching you how to belly dance. In today's episode, we're going to be learning how to do chest circles. So if you like today's video, subscribe and I'll release videos every week on belly dancing. And like and comment below if there's any videos you'd like to see. So find a space to dance, grab your favorite hip scarf and let's get going. Let's start today's lesson by taking our feet slightly hip width apart, shoulders roll back and down, chest open, and have our hips slightly tucked under as usual. And we're going to recap some of our moves we've done in previous classes. So our chest slide and our chest lift and drop. To make the chest circle, we basically want to combine all these different points. If you're not sure about the chest isolations, I've got a whole video just on them, so check them out. They're in the description below. Let's start by sliding our chest out to the side. And we're going to lift it up into the center, into a chest lift. Let's slide it out to the other side. And we'll take it back into the center. So that again, we're going to slide, lift the chest, slide it round, and go down. So let's join those points together, coming up, round, out, up, round, down. Amazing, let's try it the other side. So let's slide the chest out, lift it up, slide to the other side and back into center. Again, slide, lift, slide, down and join it round. And there we have it, a chest circle. Just make sure that you're trying not to overcompensate with your shoulders. Keep them nice and natural. And also try not to hunch them in. Perfect. Okay, let's take the chest out. Lift, side, center. 1, 2, 3, 4. And join it up. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slow. 2, 3, 4. And slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, everyone. That was really good. Tune in next week for more belly dance tutorials.